Okay, so it's weekend, and I would like to do a little bit of market breakdown. But this week, I'm just going to show you the total because mostly when I'm doing a breakdown, I just record how the market played out or the results, right? But this week, I'm going to show you exactly the thought process behind every trade, like how we forecasted the trade even before we took it, how we took it, and also the result, right? So stay tuned.
We pulled back to the zone, and it's just Monday, so no need to rush, and it's also bank holiday, right? So let's just see what price will do once we come back to the zone. Because right here, as you can see, even though we are still on a downtrend, this high has not been broken, but within here price is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, same lows. Price took out this, so let's see what price will do here. If we get any reaction, then we can start looking for buying opportunities. If this goes back and give us another like double bottom or double top right here, give us any confirmation, then we can also start looking for selling opportunities. It's Wednesday, and I just want to break down some few trades that happened on Tuesday and also what we can expect going forward for the rest of the days. So within the right shoulder, because we were creating higher high, higher low, new high, same lows, creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So why don't I just ride with this trend, as taking like intraday trades, right? So looking right here, this was a very, very simple trade. We had a higher high, higher low, high high, higher low. Price broke this high, and then we came back to create a higher low. Price pushed it upside, and we came back to that previous high that got broken, right? This was resistance. And on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, it was pretty easy, right? Right here I can spot like a nice flag pattern. We even have this nice head and shoulder pattern right here, right? This is our left shoulder, this is our head, this is our right shoulder. Price took out the neckline, and this was just an entry. So it's really beautiful how this trade played out, right? So you can either break above and continue with the trend, or price can just break below and then move to the downside. So we are expecting two things. So you always have to be, so price has already shifted from bearish to bullish. We are trading to the upside, right? So currently, let me just go down on the 1H. The price will just do something like this, and then my entry will be once price breaks above this level. If we break here, we can start looking for buying opportunities, right? So this was the result for the gold trade. Price eventually broke that high. We got in right here. We stop loss here, take profit there. So as we expected, price just played out exactly Thursday. And let's take a look at Euro AUD. And if you look at where the current price came to tap, we came to tap in a very strong support zone, right? So support. We also, so on the 4H, we have a clear head and shoulder pattern. The neckline is not yet broken, but we have our first entry right here, right? Or you can also wait for the neckline to be broken to tap the zone, right? We had an engulfing. We came back to the same zone. We had a second engulfing, right? So this is giving us double rejections, strong confirmation that price is going to push to the upside, right? But taking this entry, this becomes a risk entry. You can just put your stop loss here, and then expect or hope that price will break the neckline, right? So this will be our target This is a risk entry, so we're gonna have something like that, and we can even target these highs. Yeah guys, so in 5 minutes time in my time zone, CPI needs to be coming in, and if you look at market structure, you see that price broke above this resistance, right? Currently it looks like we are retesting. So what people will be doing is they'll be looking for buying opportunities right here to the upside, right? And I can tell you that this price is just gonna drop. This is just gonna put people at the wrong side of the market. People might think this will just push to the upside because we have a break and retest. This is the beginner strategy, but understanding this whole movement of price, right, understanding this nature of the market, we can clearly see that this price will just drop to the downside, right? This is what's going to happen. You know, once the news comes in, we will see price just moving to the downside. Going down on the 1H time frame, we have price still creating high highs and higher lows, right? But what I can see is a nice first, second and third touch right here, and also similar thing right here, right? So there's a price action that we are expecting price to actually push to the downside, and even at the third touch you can see an engulfing candle right here. So this will be a nice solid trade. For a risk entry, we can get in right now, even just here, put in stop loss here, or we can set like a sell stop at this level, and then we can put stop loss right here, and then we can target somewhere here, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. Let's see how price will play out. So this is the trade as well on Euro USD. We had price just, you know, going in our anticipated direction right into our take profit during the news, right? So this is exactly what we anticipated, and this trade actually caught people at the wrong side of the market because they were looking for buying opportunities simply because they thought, okay, this was a resistance, price broke the resistance, we might probably have a retest and then a push to the upside. But if you understand the structure of this market, you can just anticipate that this will be a downtrend. So that's how everything played out. This was our last trade for the week, and this was also very, very simple, just a continuation of what happened the previous day. So the previous day we had a nice impulse. What you can expect is a pullback, right? Whenever price drops, there's always a pullback before the continuation, right? So this was the drop. We just waited for this pullback, and then we got in here for the nice move to the downside. This was a very, very simple trade as well that we caught on Friday.